Hi all. This problem came in 2017 paper, which is obviously will find this is a problem regarding the differential equation. So we have to solve this differential equation somehow, right? So first we copy that and try to convert it in some form. So I guess this is a linear equation, okay? So let's start with that. So we'll have the consider the differential equation that gives me 2 plus sine x multiplied by dy dx plus y plus 1 cos x, and that's equal to 0. So therefore it's imply that 2 plus sine x dy dx plus y cos x is equal to minus cos x. So let's divide everything by 2 by sine x. 2 plus sine x. So we'll write down it as cos x divided by 2 plus sine x. Y is equal to minus cos x divided by 2 plus sine x. Now see that this is an equation which is called linear, right? dy dx plus pxy into qx, right? So it's a linear differential equation. That's why you have to find the integrating factor, okay? Let's write down that it is a form of a linear ODE. Linear ordinary differential equation. So then integrating factor IF is equal to integration of cos x divided by 2 plus sine x. Now if I differentiate 2 plus sine x, we get cos x. So therefore integrating factor will be e to the power of log of 2 plus sine x. And that's why my case integrating factor will be 2 plus sine x. That's it. So what will be the step? We have to multiply both sides by 2 plus sine x and then integrating. Now if you see that if I multiply both sides of 2 sine x, right, we'll get the equation number 1 in this particular problem, right? So we'll say that by 1, or the equation number 1 can be now easily written as d dx of 2 plus sine x multiplied by y is equal to minus cos x. So see that for this problem, okay, actually it's not required to do this second 2 step, right? But if you don't understand that, you can go ahead, right? So see that obviously if we have a nice eye, right, we can able to easily understand that the equation number 1 can be rewritten and in this form. See that 2 plus sine x d dx of y into d dx of 2 plus sine x, that gives you cos x, and obviously cos x. So that's imply that 2 plus sine x multiplied by y is equal to integration of minus cos x dx. That's imply that 2 plus sine x into y, integration of cos x is equal to sine x, so sine x plus c. That's it. So this is the general solution of this given differential equation. Now says that it's given y0 is equal to 1. So we'll substitute y0 equal to 1. So we'll say that put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. So if I could do so, right, we'll say that it gives me 2 plus sine 0, that 0 multiplied by 1 is equal to minus sine 0 plus c. That's imply that c is equal to 2. That's it. So therefore we'll say the particular solution it gives me 2 plus sine x multiplied by y is equal to 2 minus sine x. 2 minus sine x. I just repeat that sign. So therefore, my required solution y is equal to 2 minus sine x and 2 plus sine x. That's it. But here we are not looking for the particular solution in a beautiful form. We are looking for the value y to pi by 2. So we'll substitute pi by 2 here. So therefore we'll say that y pi by 2 is definitely equal to 2 minus sine pi by 2, that gives me 1. 2 plus sine pi by 2, that gives me 1. That's why 1 by 3, and that's why for this particular problem, obviously option A is the correct choice, and that's it. Okay. Hope you understood the problem. So here understanding this linear part is not required. By observation we can, from this line we can go ahead and do this stuff. So it's a very small problem. Okay. But if you have an issue, we can convert it in a linear. So that technical method also is shown in this particular video. Hope you understood it. Thank you.